A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for doctor, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for jacket, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for ostrich, P for peacock, Q for queen, R for rose, S for snake, T for truck, U for umbrella, V for van, W for van, X for Xmas tree, Y for yo-yo, Z for zoo. Mano ki